Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the personal risk level in the TripIt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the safety button. And here look for the personal risk level button, which is only available if you have the show alerts in itinerary button set on. And if you drag this white circle left to right, you can set the level of risk that you want to use. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.